Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here in such a beautiful adventurous place called Hatta. Can you see this behind me? It's called Hatta Dam and this is located in between the Oman and Dubai. It's called the border of Oman. So let's take a short visit of that. So these are all the activities here. This is the steps which need to go upstairs, and here is the parking area which I'm going down, and see the scenario here. And now I'm going the other point. So I have finally reached your Hatta Wadi. You have many activities to do for kids and adults as well. There is horse riding, there is zip lining, there is go-karting, and there is cycle ride. There's also a prayer room here. There are restaurants, and can you see the mountains over there? You can stay there overnight and have a beautiful adventurous night here. Here, I'll just show you the Hatta Wadi area. This is all kids area here in an adventure way. A beautiful outdooring site here. Wow. Also a restaurant here. Yeah, see there. There's a hotel there in that mountain. It's actually very far from here. So this is wall climbing. That's walkway from this end till goes the other end, and that's the zip lining. You can see children coming from the other side. Oh, and that the other side for the toddlers. It's a bouncy castle there. This is jumping on the net.